Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to use phone mirror, Android, and iPhone mirroring. Are you looking for a guide on how to use phone mirror in Android and iPhone mirroring? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so we are back in TenorShare. And if you don't know what TenorShare is, tenorshare.com to check it out yourselves. It is the official site of the TenorShare app and company that creates a lot of apps to help iPhone and even Android users, but mostly Apple users when it comes to repair, when it comes to transfer, password, recovery, utilities, and other things to help you with your iPhone or other Android devices for any issues, whether you need system repair, iTunes repair, whatever. TenorShare is one of the best apps that are out there. Even the free version works well. But there is also a paid version that gives you a whole other level of superpowers. So we have TenorShare Phone Mirror. So it is the best screen mirroring software for Android and iOS. So this is for both Android and iOS. So even for Android users, this is viable. You can play Android games on PC and Mac with Game Keypad. It helps you excuse me, helps you mirror Android screen and control Android phone from PC and Mac. It's screen mirroring iPhone and iPad to PC via Wi-Fi. Control multiple devices at the same time, up to 5. Take screenshots and record Android screen on PC directly, and transfer files between Android and PC and Mac. So there's a free version, and then there is a paid version. Well, the paid version is it's monthly, yearly, and one-time purchase. So if you think you're going to use this a lot, if you're going to mirror a lot, whether you're iPhone or Samsung, so there's a monthly fee of like $10, a quarterly license of $29.95, which is $30, and then 1 year license. Apparently, there's no sorry, it's monthly, quarterly, and then yearly. So $9.95, $29.95, and $39.95 respectively. And what you get, the perks are pretty much the same. 5 PCs, unlimited devices, auto renewal, cancel at any time, 1 quarter free upgrades, 1 month free upgrades, and depends on the upgrades, depends on the package that you choose. So for a month, 1 month free upgrades, for quarter, pretty much the duration of your subscription. That's how apparently this works. Uh, Close that. So phone mirror, screen mirroring anytime, anywhere. So phone mirror provides much convenience for screen mirroring Android devices to both Windows and Mac, and also for screen mirroring iPhone to PC. So you can enjoy Android features on the big screen, meaning your PC, your computer, your Apple computer. So movie on big screen, play Android games on the big screen, share screen with family, online classes. You can also transfer files. You can have multi-device collaborations. You can also have live recording screens using your computer, and you can have conference sharing. So play Android games on PC and Mac with Game Keyboard. So if you want to play Android games on PC, Phone Mirror helps you set the key mapping to control mobile games with mouse and keyboard. So you can use Game Keyboard to play mobile games on your computer, and default key settings for PUBG Mobile, Game for Peace, Free Fire, Among Us, and Genshin Impact. So they have default key settings for these games. You can also customize the keys as you want to play games or use any apps on your Android device, which is pretty cool. Mirror iOS or Android and control Android on PC and Mac in real time. So this is pretty much a screen share. So screen share Android to PC and Mac via USB or screen mirror iPhone to PC wirelessly to gain a better visual experience on a larger screen. So you can also control Android with keyboard and mouse in real time. So either you're using a USB cord or just this app, you can pretty much just hook it up to your big monitor and just have a better experience visually. So you can check photos, YouTube, WhatsApp, and other on Android devices without delay. So apparently there's no delay between two devices. You can also make phone calls and text messages on the computer. You can also rotate the mirror screen of or display in full screen at your convenience, and screen mirroring in high quality resolution. So you don't lose quality apparently if you use screen mirroring to view your phone on the computer or laptop, which is pretty neat. Um, Multi-device mirroring and display simultaneously. So phone mirror allows up to 5 mobile phones to mirror simultaneously. So you can have 5 phones at the same time mirror on your computer or your laptop, and you can control multiple devices at the same time in one computer. So you can work them cooperatively, saving time and effort. And the good thing about this, as far as I can understand, is that there's no lag. So support most of Android devices like Samsung, Xiaomi, Google, Huawei, Nokia, and more. So available on Android 6 to 12, and it is compatible with the latest iOS or iPad OS 16. I don't know if there's 17 because I know 17 is out or about to come out, but yeah, up to 16 you're fine. Another one is turn off phone screen while mirroring. So while using phone mirror, one click to enter screen off mirroring state. In this way, you can access your phone normally on the computer, but the phone screen turns off to reduce its consumption. So what this means is that when you turn off phone screen, you could simply just control your phone via the computer, and your phone's screen will be turned off so that you can save battery life, which is pretty good. And you can check screenshots, you can do recording, you can turn screen off and screen lock, and so on and so forth. You can also take screenshots and record phone screen on PC. So one click to take screenshots of Android and iOS screen. Copy the screenshots to clipboard and share it in your PC. One click to record Android screen on PC. No need to transfer the recorded videos anymore. And it directly saves screenshots and screen recordings on PC to release phone storage. Release and relieve phone storage, I think. And supports original quality resolution and no watermark, which is pretty good because a lot of other apps have watermarks, which is kind of annoying, right? Another thing is screen mirror Android to PC and Mac with 3 steps. So, this is for Mac. So, step one, launch phone mirror and connect your Android phone to PC. Step two is to enable USB debugging. Follow instructions to enable USB debugging on your phone. So, when every TetherShare app, when you launch it on your PC and you use a service, it has a step-by-step visual on the app itself, so you don't need to be worried because it's going to help you and it's going to show you where to click and when to click and whatnot. So it's very user friendly. And last, step three is start mirroring. Now you can control and use your Android phone from PC. So this is what you're going to see. So click on this to start mirroring, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. That's mirroring. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.